Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. What I'm going to do is just show you all where I'm putting the money that I pretty much took back to the bank. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this cash here is all that I have in my Ally account so far. And I know you're probably wondering why everything has 0 in it. So I ended up needing to take the money that has 0. I had to pretty much take the money out of these accounts that are 0 and pay something, but I'm putting that same amount of cash back into my accounts. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on distribute, and so you all won't have to watch this over and over and over. As far as me going to each one separately, I'm just going to do multiple buckets. And I already have everything written out here on my end. So what I'm going to do is just start at the top for core savings and then just go from there. So I have what money needs to go where. So first we are going to start with vehicles. This is for a new vehicle, and I'm sure you're probably wondering, like, Desiree, don't you already have a new vehicle? Yes, I do have a 2023. Of course, you all know that I thought about getting rid of it. I've actually canceled my extended warranty, and I'm just waiting on my balance to update with Bank of America. And then as it gets closer to December, I still may trade it in this year. If not, next year, or pretty much between this year and the next 3 years. So, need to save for a new car. So, for a new car, I'm putting in $1,144. And let's make sure that this is right. So, that's right. And I do have a long-term sinking funds for kids, which of course it would have 0 when it comes to family fun. That didn't have anything in it. Next we have wellness and pet, and of course you all know that I need to save money almost anytime I can for wellness, since I do go to the vision center pretty much every 6 months or so. So we're doing $270. For events is pretty much mostly Christmas, so $440 for events. For car maintenance, and this is just car maintenance for the car, so right now it has 50. I'm going to take that 50 out and add $180. And now all the cash is gone for Operation Move Home. That's just for moving. And Let's Travel, of course, has 0 since we are going on vacation next week. So I may not add anything in for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. And this is what everything looks like in my Ally account. When it comes to the Capital One, I only have cash in there for my niece's graduation, which is only like $200 and some. Of course, I do have just a little bit of cash, not much, not even $200 in cash for her. Also, for my sunny day cash savings, that's in Capital One as well, but I don't have to add anything to it. What I'm going to do now, since we're done with Ally, I'm going to do everything on camera. I'm going to go ahead and do scratch-offs. But it's only for maybe 1 or 2 scratch-offs. So with the $260 that's left over for the July savings, I'm going to go ahead and check this off for $40. And let's go ahead and subtract. Oops. So now I have $220 to work with. The $220 is going to my $700 scratch off. And yes, my phone is on the charger. And Jasmine is starting to get on my nerves. So let's see if I can make this quick. So we're just going to scratch this one off. And if you hear anything that sounds like it's breaking in or trying to break out, it's Jasmine. So we just have $35. So I'm just going to subtract. And Jasmine is just doing too much. And you probably could hear her. So we have $185 left. And I'm just going to scratch in random places. This looked like, okay, I definitely thought that was a 20, so 10 bucks. 175 left. Did I do that right? 260 minus 40 minus 35 minus 10. Yep, that's right. $175 left. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here. Oh, goodness, $50. 125 left. And I'm just scratching random places. This looks like it could be a 5, but it's 25. $25 left. Well, $100 left from the 25. And what I'm going to do is just send all of this money over to Allie. So we have 5 bucks with $95 left. This looked like 35 bucks. $35 left. Uh-oh, I messed up. Wait a minute. Okay, so I'm back. So we have $60 to go. Let's see. Let's do this one. $10. $50 left. Jasmine, what you doing? Don't look at me like that. Okay, we have another 10. So $40 left. And guys, I need to go eat some as well. Oh my goodness, look at there, y'all. 40 bucks. With 0 left. So we were able to get quite a few finished. So these are all I finished today. And what I'm going to do is continue to work on this challenge until it is completed. I do hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.